Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guide channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the parking lights on your BMW 1 Series. So if you don't know what parking lights are are essentially designed so that you can park on a dark street and have sort of an indicator light on at the side of your car so that people know where the edge is. Especially on this one because it's a black car, it's quite a useful little feature. So let's get straight into it and show you guys how to do it. So first of all, if you're parking up on the side of the road, turn your engine off, take the key out, and then you need to open your door. Now the parking lights will only activate if you have your door open. Now if we press the indicator stalk and push it up one way, as you can see we've now got the parking light icon on, and let's go out and see what this does. So because I did it that way, as you can see we have the light on at the back here. And if we look at the front, excuse my filthy car, we have the front light on here. Notice how we don't have it on the other side, and this is because of the parking light feature. So like I said, this is really useful if you park on roads, etc., because it literally highlights where the edge of your car is and just makes it that bit safer when you parked on the other side of the road, on the side of the road. Now what we'll do is we'll just activate it on the other side. Just to cancel it, all you need to do is just turn the indicator down the other way, and that turns it off. And now let's go and put it on the other side. Just press and hold it down, the indicator stalk, and there we go, it comes on that side as well. So let's just go and check that that's on this side. There we go, that's the rear light illuminated. And the front, as you can see, it's only on the one side. So yeah, that's just a nice simple little tutorial on how to use your parking lights. Let's just cancel them. And basically guys, I think pretty much every BMW have this. It's quite a European feature. In the UK it used to be mandatory in law that you had to have a parking light. However, it's not anymore. But just a quick way of knowing whether your car has it or not is this little icon here, the P. There we go. That's your parking light icon. If you've got that on your indicator stalk, then you've got the parking lights, and you just follow the procedure that I just showed you. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.